Hello, this is Dom, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to manually add images in Yoast, in the Yoast SEO plugin. So we've been having some issues lately, especially with articles that have been pre-programmed or like scheduled in advance, and yet also uh, loaded into Social Studio, Salesforce Social Studio. Sometimes the articles are not showing up or with the right features once they publish to Facebook. So, in order to combat that, we've come up with some workarounds, and hopefully these will help out. So, the example that I'm going to use here, yeah. So this one is the America 250 article for Army veteran Jack C. Montgomery. So I'm going to go into edit this. Actually, you know what? It's been happening mostly with Veteran of the Day. So this one's all the way scheduled out to, wow, 2022. That's amazing. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and edit this one for now. And I'll show you guys how to go in and add a featured image specifically for Facebook. We don't really need to add it for any other platforms yet. Facebook's been working just fine. And yeah, so here we go. It's Alvin York. Could have swore we did one on him already, but okay. So here's the featured image, and it's also right here in the body of the article, but for some reason, it's been happening a lot with Veteran of the Day articles. They just haven't been showing up right. So in order to fix this, so we got Alvin York. In order to fix this, you want to go all the way down to the Yoast SEO settings. Now, if you don't see your Yoast SEO settings, you're going to want to go to Screen Options. Yeah, Screen Options and Yoast SEO. You need to select it in order for it to be visible. If it's already visible, then you're fine. But anyway, just a heads up, if you don't see it, that's where you find it. So you go all the way down, and you sorry, here it is. You see SEO, readability, schema, and social. So you're gonna want to go to social, and then you want to select the image. So this is specifically for Facebook. You can do it, I believe, for Twitter. But see, it's supposed to add it automatically, but it's just not been working lately. So we're gonna select the image from our media library. So it's York, right? York. Oopsie, I'm searching in the wrong spot. Sorry, we're doing this live. So here we go, York. Hopefully it's relatively recent. There you go, Alvin York. Sorry, the blog's running a little slow right now. So there we go, and we're gonna select it, boom. And now it is attached, and we're going to click update. And eventually it will be updated. All right, so now the way this works is you can actually do this for every article, specifically ones that are going to publish over the weekend when nobody's going to be around, to verify and fix any issues, or to verify the accuracy and then fix any issues. So if you're going to be publishing, say, you have something scheduled to publish on the blog on Saturday or Sunday, or on a federal holiday or over a Christmas vacation or something like that, and you also have it loaded into Social Studio for the weekend as well. You're probably going to want to go ahead and do this process. So just a quick recap: if you don't see Yoast SEO features, click in your screen options the checkbox next to Yoast SEO. Then you should be able to find it all the way at the bottom. Go to the social section and add an image right here. add the image, and that is what Facebook will pull. It's also what Social Studio will pull. So if you don't add it, I don't know why it's being wonky, but it is. So this is a workaround. Feel free to do this for every single article, by the way. If you don't mind spending an extra 20 seconds doing it, you can just add that there for Facebook so it doesn't get all silly and do the wrong picture. If you have any questions, let me know. Hopefully this helps.